Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at Lexus doing a fitment on an NX 350, a Lexus NX 350. It looks like the NX 250, 350, and 450s all have the same front end, so this bracket is going to work with all three of those models. Fortunately, it has fasteners underneath. So this will be a no drill. It's going to go in the lower center grill. You can see where the license plate, if you put the factory one on, where it would go. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the fitment here. I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike.
All right. Like Steve said, this is going to be factory fasteners. It's a no drill. We like that anytime we can, but it's not always possible. This uses two fasteners. They're, I don't know, probably 13 inches apart, maybe not quite, but one of our wider brackets. It uses a 10 millimeter socket. They're a 6.3 by, I don't know, maybe 20. We're not going to be we're going to be sending those off to the side and not reusing them. We're going to be using ones we provide you, along with some spacers just to fill in this gap here. So we're going to grab that. We're going to take the base plate off of the front here. Take it. We're going to use a 6.3 by 30 millimeter screw. So it'll be a little longer with a 1/4 inch spacer on top. Starting this side first. Now it's real important to finger start each side first. You don't want to just put one side and tighten it up, because then it's going to make it really hard to line up the other side. Now these, unlike some that go into a metal J-clip, this is going into a nylon block. So you can still tighten it pretty good. You can't get as crazy as you can if it was going into a metal J-clip. So you want to run them down till they're snug, and then you can tighten them, but like you can see, I can give it a pretty good tighten, but you don't want to get crazy with these, because again, these are going into a plastic clip. There you go, that's in there. Then you're going to take your front plate, start it in, get it past the bullpen, push it till it clicks into place, and you're done.
A couple of tips here. Make sure that you lubricate your pull pin periodically, just to keep it moving, operating smoothly, efficiently. If you do go through a car wash, make sure if it has rollers or brushes on it that you remove the front plate. You can see the patented X pattern there, STO N SHO, our lower front plate there, and then you can see the factory one right above it there. But your license plate will go on the front plate there, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.